Emulating the footsteps of other NGOs of Garo Hills who are on a war footing to remove the incumbent non-Garo Chief Executive Member of Garo Hills Autonomous District Council, Rakesh Newar Sangma, the NGOs of Dadenggre Dalu and Dalu tried to garner support to oust Mr. Sangma from the coveted post of Garo Hills Autonomous District Council, in which the shops downed their shutters in support of the NGO's appeal. During the agitation, the NGO leaders condemned Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma for his unwillingness to remove Rakesh Newar, as he is the relative of the Chief Minister's wife.
Yang